Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to configure reminders in your Inhouz Sign documents. I'm currently in my Inhouz Cloud console. To get into the Inhouz Sign module, all I need to do is click on Inhouz Sign in the menu. I'm going to switch to a template, and this what I'm about to show you works from templates or in a document that is created without a template. If I jump on into one of my templates called test proposal and get into the settings. If I go into the settings tab, I can see here where it says reminder settings. So here we can basically send a reminder, and this is done based on certain configurations. So if someone has not signed a document, you can configure sending them reminders to sign said document. Here it says that you can set or configure the days until the first reminder. So in this example, or by default, basically it's set to 3. So what this means is that if a recipient has not signed within 3 days, then they will receive their first reminder. And then you can basically set the reminder intervals. So this is, how many days will pass or subside before the next set of reminders will be sent. So here what happens is that the first reminder is sent after 3 days of no signing, and every 2 days after, if the document is still not signed, there's a reminder that's going to be sent out. And there will be a total of 4 reminders, as you can see here in the title or in the description of the send reminder toggle. So let's say I wanted to send reminders, but I wanted to do it after 1 week. All I will need to do is basically set the days until first reminder to 7. And if I wanted to send reminders every week, then I could also set the reminder interval to 7. So the first reminder is sent after 7 days, and the other 3 reminders are sent in 7-day intervals. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.